Good morning from Hyderabad. Welcome to another vlog, boys. Today we are starting to Bangalore with cute boy Sandeep and
Sorry, 1, 2, 3, come in.
our Parikshit. We have the lineup. We have the 812 Superfast and the M2. 553 kilometers. Alright, boys, we are underway to Bangalore. Left at 6:15. So the thing is, we'll be giving you an hourly update as to what we are doing and how long we have taken to cover each 1 hour. That's the concept of this entire drive. Alright, guys, 360 view. We just got onto the outer ring road. 600 kilometers to Bangalore airport. We have done 5.4 kilometers so far.
Wow.
Over our speed limit is 100. We will be maintaining that. Once we get off the outer ring road, don't ask. Anything can happen. Cute boy Pari is right behind. He is driving very cutely. So next update at 7:15. So stay tuned, guys. So about 140 kilometers away from Kurnool, where we plan to have breakfast. So yeah, 70 kilometers in the first 1 hour. Hello. So yeah, guys, 1 hour into the drive, 76 kilometers done. We'll try to reach as quickly as possible. Conditions are not favorable. Lot of water, lot of photographers, lot of enthusiasts who think they are faster than Ferrari, but we can't do anything. That's how we are. Yeah, next update at 8:30.
Hello friends, please like and subscribe.
Situation update, guys. Peep break. We are at 8:15 exactly. 2 hours into our drive. 164 kilometers done. About 50 kilometers from Kurnool, where we plan to have breakfast. Peep break right now. Decent, pretty good travel right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Catch you at Kurnool when we have for breakfast. We'll tell you what else is being planned for today once we sit there. Situation update. M2 is not fuel efficient. 180 kilometers into the drive, it is already thirsty. HPCL bunk. Yes, we have new passenger on board. Yes, Parikshit, how are you feeling? Your first ride in Ferrari 812 Superfast?
It is the Ferrari is a diuretic. It induces urine. But I must say it's probably the best experience of my life in a car. And the roads are not giving saath. Else we would have been in Bangalore by now.
Yeah, exactly.
How was your highway experience?
Mine is actually good. I mean, car is very comfortable. Exactly doing the job what is designed for. Long cruising GT.
We almost hit a bullock cart.
Almost.
And we also had pigs on the road in front of the car, guiding the car. This can only happen in India.
Situation update, boys. It's 10 o'clock. We've done with our breakfast. 265 kilometers done. 300 kilometers more to go.
Surprisingly, the Ferrari still has fuel.
We still have fuel in this car, and whereas M3 we already had one fuel stop.
Big breaker, big breaker.
Situation update. Stopped for cigarettes and tea. At very close to Anandapur. And also fuel break. Fuel break. Okay, this is take 2 of the same video.
Fuel break and susu break.
Yes, and also cigarette break.
No cigarettes.
Coffee.
No cigarettes.
This is thumbs up. This is not lime juice. There is nothing inside the thumbs up.
హోటల్ వచ్చిన వెంటనే నువ్వు కార్ ఆపేయి, మేము ఇద్దరం దిగి ఆటో ఎక్కువ వచ్చేస్తాం. ఒక సూట్ సరిపోతుంది.
Discussion is whether to have 2 suite rooms or 1 suite room. Please let me know in comments below. 11 right now. We started at 6:15. We have done about close to 300 kilometers. M2 is only 50 liter capacity. It is not coming,
45.
not giving mileage. 45? Yeah, 45. So not much of a mileage over there. Ferrari on the other hand, decent mileage, excellent mileage. Crazy,
So buy Ferrari.
unexpected. Buy Ferrari.
Moral of the story.
Moral of the story is buy Ferrari. Don't buy the M2.
You'll save on fuel.
You'll save on fuel. No, you'll not save on fuel. You'll save on number of stops before you have a fuel break. So that's the thing, basically. So about 3 hours from Bangalore right now. So planning whether to go directly to the hotel or to go to Nandi Hills. So we'll keep you posted on that. Bangalore 58 and 38 kilometers to airport. Already morning ate unhealthy roadside dabba dhaba food. ఎవరు బేల్పూరా $35 minutes to hotel and lunch. Lake number 4. About 196 kilometers away from Bangalore. We are at 12 p.m. right now. So probably we'll reach around 2:33. What is fuel update? How is M2 doing? M2 is half tank. Ferrari full tank. 2 rupees car.
100 rupees fuel.
100 rupees fuel. Maybe. Look at this car. It is not eating fuel. It is dumping fuel. Second full tank. Just on the way to Bangalore. Second tank, guys. What is this inefficient driving? How can you drive so inefficiently?
Pari's average 5.5. This average is 7.5.
Pari doesn't know how to drive. Pari driving, vomiting only. What is fuel cost, man? What is happening?
It's only 41 liters.
Why so much fuel, Ray?
Feeling excited.
Why so much fuel?
Third time.
6.5 liter engine. Half engine. 2 full tanks. Big engine, 1 tank.
2 full tank. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఒక ట్యాంక్.
దారిలో ట్యాంక్. ఇంట్లో ఫుల్ ట్యాంకా? మధ్య కొట్టించావా? మళ్ళీ 3 full tanks.
Okay.
To come to Bangalore.
She's a drunkard.
New passenger again on board Ferrari. Situation update, we are about 60 kilometers away from Bangalore. Time is 1:15. We have done 500 kilometers exactly. So another 50 kilometers will be at the airport. M2's third full tank. So next update will be from the hotel. Stay tuned.
Copy. Okay, first time in a Ferrari. This is the best trip ever.
First trip ever.
Yeah.
How was the driving experience of M2?
Really nice. M3 is my favorite car. So I'm one step closer.
One step closer to it. Heavy braking, ma.
Crazy.
Nobody told me they were speed breakers, huh? Cheating. Welcome back, guys. We have driven all the way from Hyderabad, 550 kilometers, to stay in this wonderful presidential suite of Taj Bangalore. Rate details, check out online. So this is the living area where we put all the stuff. This is area where we put like this and all that. TV there without sound bar. Wide to be noted. Beautiful space. This is first bedroom. Very spacious. And it has its own bathroom, office desk, where now I have to pay salaries to all my players. It was already late, supposed to be paid on 7th, did not do it. Walk-in shower, and Sandeep is going to have a bath in the tub. Beautiful dining space. Comfortably about 6 to 7 people, 8 people can sit comfortably here and have food. So, 2 families coming here comfortably can enjoy. This is the second bedroom, and this is the fridge and the coffee area, kitchen. This is bedroom number 2, and that is the view of the wonderful Kempe Gowda International Airport. That's it, guys. So if you want to come to Bangalore, want to stay, 2 families comfortably, this is the room to be in. More updates in the next one. So guys, day 2 of our trip from Bangalore to Hyderabad. We have stopped about 10 kilometers away from the Kia manufacturing plant, and we have a full-fledged Korean superstore right here. It's called Seoul Store. So, Seoul, sorry. Let's go inside and see what Korean stuff we will get over there. So, inside the Korean superstore, guys, as you can see on both the sides, full-fledged Korean superstore here, about 10 kilometers away from the Kia plant, exclusively for them. Anything and everything that you want is available here, as you can see. 1100 kilometers long trip has come to an end, guys. Sorry I was not able to conclude the video in the car. Got really late last night. Traffic close to Hyderabad was horrible. Took almost 1.5 hours to come from Jetchalla to my house, and took just 5 hours from Bangalore to Jetchalla, so you can understand. Brakes included. All in all, very comfortable drive for both the cars. Surprisingly, Ferrari's mileage on the highway in the speeds that we drive is really good. It was averaging close to 7 and 8, whereas M2 was doing not more than 5.5. I mean, I know that a tank is a little smaller, but comparatively, average mileage that you get is completely different. Surprising how Ferrari made such a comfortable car for long trips. People think it's a sports car, you can't drive, you have back pain and all that nonsense, but nothing of that sort. Very comfortably, in 7 hours of continuous driving, we have come, and we are, doing perfectly fine. All of us who have been in the trip. So we have planned many more road trips in that sense. One in Rajasthan, which will be happening real soon if all goes well, and obviously we have track days, Chennai and Delhi coming up, so stay tuned for all that content. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next one.